Architecture taught me how to design socially and for the benefit of the many, while art taught me how to manage my memories and feelings and convey my own perceptions of life. If architecture taught me how to see, then art definitely taught me how to breathe. Hi, my name's Karl Singporewala. I'm a RIBA chartered architect and an artist at the Royal West of England Academy of Art. I'm really honoured to be given the SOAS Artistic Fellowship for 2025. This has been awarded by the Shapoorji Pallonji Institute of Zoroastrian Studies, and it's going to be a research-focused fellowship, which will culminate in an exhibition about the SOAS Gallery, London. It's called Cosmos, Memory and Scam, and is focused on my Parsi heritage, my practices architecture is focused on R&D and material innovation. Most of our current projects are heritage and listed buildings, and currently have projects in Crawley, West Sussex, and Berlin, Manchester, London, Bristol, and Brighton. While I work as both an artist and an architect with my studio, and the reality is when I'm with my architecture peers, I'm usually talking about my artwork, and when I'm around other artists and academicians, I'm usually talking about the architecture. So there's a bit of an imposter syndrome there going on.